Alright, I have neglected my bike for way too long. It has gotten very dirty over the past few months, and I haven't changed the fluids on it for over 2 years. And I gotta get this bike ready for wheelies. The chain looks absolutely horrible, like look at this, and also this is just the frame. Oh my god. Today we're gonna get all of those things sorted out. So yeah, let's go buy all the things that I need. With these gas prices, I cannot waste this trip to the city, so I decided to take the bike to a car wash and get it cleaned up and looking very nice. Alright, so now I can definitely say that the bike looks much better than it did before. The plastics are actually white and not all covered in dirt. So now let's go and change those fluids. So I still haven't fixed my garage light, but you're gonna have to bear with me here. I'm sorry if it's too dark, but yeah, so we have the chain lube, the transmission oil, and some coolant. So yeah, let's go and I guess start with the transmission oil. So I use this belt, this ratchet belt, to get the bike on straps, and yeah, now it's actually really sturdy. Well, okay, not very sturdy, but this will have to do. The drain plug takes a 14mm key, so let's go ahead and get that bolt cracked. Alright, so I think it goes this way, right? Yeah, there we go. Alright, that's loose. So this is a little DIY drain pan I made. It's just a 5-liter jug with the top cut out of it. I think it'll be just fine. Okay, so that is not a lot of oil. Oh my god. And it's also so, I mean, I don't know what I expected. I probably expected it to look like this, but yeah, let's go pour in the fresh oil. Alright, so let's put the drain plug back in. Oh my god, I got oil on my finger. Are you kidding me? Okay, there we go. And let's tighten it down. And say the holy words. That ain't going nowhere. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the oil. Oh my goodness, this is actually in there good. There we go. Alright. And there we go. We have a little helper in the garage over here. A little DIY funnel, because I came completely unprepared into this. Okay, so the manual says it should fit 600 milliliters or 650 milliliters of oil, so we're gonna add that. So now that the oil is in, let's go ahead and get this plug back into the engine. Why is it in such awkward spot? And there we go. It's in. Alright, so the oil is done. So now let's go ahead and get the coolant replaced. There we go. This thing's off. And now we can finally reach this one bolt for the coolant reservoir. So yeah, it's perfect. So I will be using the same drain pan I used for the oil because, well, I won't be reusing the coolant. And yeah, now we just need to take this hose off. So let's loosen the clamp. Now we just have to get this coolant hose off, which is going to be extremely hard, but let's hope I don't make too big of a mess. Shoot! What is, oh, okay. So, dang. Why is this so hard? Oh my god, we're getting it all over the place. I guess we're just draining it like this? No, we're not. Oh my god, I'm getting it all over the place. Yeah, I made a huge mess. And it's not done yet. There we go. Oh my god. Wait, how much will it do? Oh my god. Of course. This is just insane. At least we got it out. So now all that's left is to fill it up with new fluid, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put the hose back on and of course secure it with the clamp. Oh my god, why is this so hard? Come on, get on there. There we go. Of course, get the clamp and tighten down. And we are good. Bam. And now all that's left is to basically fill it up with new coolant, and that'll probably be it. So let's go do that. This is actually pre-mixed coolant. I don't even have to mix it. It literally says ready to use. So I guess that is really good. Let's go ahead and get that cap off. Oh, there's actually no seal on it. Okay. I expected there to be like a little seal, but there isn't. Well, I guess that's good. And now we just basically have to slowly fill it up, and yeah, I mean, you get the idea. Alright, so I got most of the fluid in. There's like 300 milliliters left. So now I'm going to start the bike and let it, I guess, run for a few minutes so the air bubbles can escape throughout, of course, this thing. And yeah. Alright, so now that the coolant is done, let's go ahead and put the cap back on and finish putting on the plastics. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Alright, so I cleaned the chain and it was rough to say the least, but now it is really clean. So it's time to lube it. Now I have actually never done this, yeah, shocker, but I have never used actual Motul chain lube. I have just used some generic freaking paste type of lube for the chain, but not anymore. Right now we are using the Motul chain lube. Alright, so I guess you just kind of spray it on like this. Now that is very smooth. And there we go, that is it. So the chain is lubed, the oil is changed, and the coolant is changed. And now it's done. Perfect. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video. This was really fun to film, and yeah, peace.